And Dr. Jen Ashton is here with us as well, and we are tracking all of today's developments. So let's look at the coronavirus numbers from Johns Hopkins University. And the world is now closing in on 47 million confirmed cases of COVID-19, with more than 9.2 million of those diagnosed cases right here in the U.S. And on this election day, now more than 231,000 American lives lost.
And Dr. Jen, you know, in the past, week or so, we reached more new COVID-19 cases than we have seen here at any point this year.
Right.
So tell us, we know that late yesterday, Dr. Deborah Birx, part of the White House Coronavirus Task Force, said that the U.S. is entering the most concerning and deadly phase of this pandemic and is urging an aggressive response. Tell us more.
Yeah, pretty dire warnings from Dr. Deborah Birx. I had the opportunity of meeting with her at the White House in March, and she is the response coordinator. An internal White House memo had Dr. Birx saying that the U.S. is expected to see more than 100,000 new cases a day this week. She is saying that this is not due to more testing, that in fact testing is flat or declining in many areas in the country that are seeing increases, in some cases dramatic increases. At this point, more than half of the United States is considered in the red or orange zone for cases. And she is saying, quote, this is not about lockdowns. This is about essential action that needs to be consistent messaging with profound limitation on indoor gatherings, specifically referring to friends and family congregating indoors.
And Jen, we've talked about this so much, but this disease has been so politicized, especially on today as we're talking election day here. What is the top concern among doctors right now?
Well, you know, when you speak to physicians, healthcare workers, and scientists, the concern here is that, yes, we've made progress. We have absolutely improved our clinical care of patients with severe COVID-19. That is a good thing. But to be crystal clear, when you see cases going up, that is the denominator. When that number goes up, hospitalizations and deaths will follow. And right now we are looking at a fatality rate here in the United States overall at 2.5%. And we've said it before, the concern is not only COVID-19. If you're in a car accident, if you have a heart attack and you go to a hospital and there's not a bed, there's not a blood supply, and there's not an ICU space available for you, you're in real trouble.
Yeah, the ripple effects
Absolutely.
are certainly very stark. All right, Dr. Jen Ashton, as always, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.